optional trips this year, MMUN, or Montessori Model United Nations, and the Environmental Summit in Canada. I'm sure most of you have heard about MMUN before, but for those of you who haven't or would like a little recap, MMUN is a conference Butler attends every year in New York City. Your students become delegates and get assigned issues to research and countries to represent. Then they work together to come up with solutions for each of these issues that all of their countries agree with. In Fairhaven, we have moved on from being delegates and we're now part of the bureau that facilitates these working sessions. This year, Max was a vice chair, which means that he had the chance to lead a part of his committee session. Congratulations, Max! Everyone loves MMUN not only because we get to be in New York for 4 days and have fun with our alumni friends, but because being a bureau member is a great chance for us to handle responsibilities and take on leadership roles. It was a similar situation in Canada for the Environmental Summit where the intermediates, the participants, and the Fairhaven, in this case just Max and I, were workshop facilitators. Before the summit, we came up with an idea that we would hopefully engage the participants with while also educating them. The idea we, aka my mom, she came up with this idea, she's great, I love her. She came up with the idea of a D&D, or Dungeons and Dragons inspired role-play game where the students would take on the roles of chicken farmers and to teach them about the egg and poultry industry and the impact that they have on the environment. Originally, we planned to have 10 students, 5 per farm, but our workshop was apparently so enticing that 14 students signed up for it. After day 1 of the workshop, a teacher decided that he also wanted to play, so now we had 15 participants as opposed to the 10 that we thought we were going to have. Needless to say, the workshop was a success, and overall the trip was an amazing chance to learn about all the ways we can be more eco-friendly and give back to the environment.